Well, the very successful Airport Express line of the Delhi Metro will be indefinitely shut from Sunday. Well, the sheer inconvenience to passengers can be understood from the fact that nearly 15,000 passengers use the stretch of the metro daily. The reason for the indefinite shutdown given by Reliance Infrastructure-led consortium that operates the stretch says there is a safety hazard in running trains on the elevated sections of the line. Well, this stretch is the fastest metro link in the country and connects New Delhi railway station to Terminal 3 of the Indira Gandhi International Airport.
एक तो शेड्यूल पूरा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, इसके भरोसे थोड़ा लेट निकलते थे घर से और ट्रेन के टाइमिंग वगैरह सारे हमने एडजस्ट कर रखे थे। कल से बंद होगा तो थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना पड़ा करेगा और बाकी कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से सबसे ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट थी। अब बाकी ऑटो वालों के तो आपको रेट्स पता ही है, कभी बार्गेन कर रहे हैं, किसी से ज्यादा ले लिया। इसके एटलीस्ट कंसिस्टेंसी तो थी।
अब बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा, खासकर जो एयरपोर्ट से लोग आते हैं वो अपने घर आराम से पहुंच जाते हैं। अभी तो फिलहाल उनको आने वाले टाइम में बड़ी दिक्कत होगी। अब पता नहीं कितने दिनों तक बंद रहेगा।
Well, for more on this, our correspondent Durga Nandini joins us from New Delhi. Well, Durga, after investing so much money and time, now they have realized that it was a safety hazard. That's just bad planning and very careless if it really is a hazard to our safety.
Well, absolutely. It's been 16 months since the airport metro has been operational. First, there were problems as far as the starting of the services were concerned. It was delayed by 5 months, and then there were issues concerning the speed of the trains. It was supposed to be 120 kilometers per hour, but then due to some maintenance issues which were already detected in the railings, it was reduced to 80 kilometers per hour. So basically, it has been dogged by one, lack of proper service, lack of proper maintenance, lack of on-time delivery as far as services are concerned, and also very few passengers have actually been availing this. On record, the DMRC says there are 15,000 passengers, but I have been traveling on the airport metro several times, and it's barely a handful of people that you see on board the train. So definitely the airport metro it is a very good service because it's just 80 rupees from the New Delhi metro station where I am right now to the airport, and it is very, very swift. It is definitely a very swanky model, but at the same time, it's not been a hit right from the beginning. But rather than actually making it a success model, we see that there are maintenance issues which have come out. The Urban Development Ministry is ordering an inquiry with the help of the Indian Railways, and we see that the Delhi Airport Metro Consortium, which is run by which is led by Reliance Infra and the DMRC, are definitely not meeting eye to eye on this. So definitely a lot of problems here. But we see tomorrow onwards, operations are going to be suspended, and people definitely going to go through a lot of hardships.